So here we have a John Deere Hydro lawnmower. I got it with no key, and I want to figure out if the thing will work at all, so I need to replace this ignition switch. No matter what I did to it, I wasn't able to figure out how to get it to fire off with the existing one, so I just ordered this up. I will put a link in the description to a similar product, or this one if they're still selling this exact one on Amazon, and hopefully it will do what you need it to do. So to change the switch out, you just loosen this nut here, then you can actually, whoops, drop the whole switch down, and it's just got the wires hooked directly to these little plugs. So when you pull that off of there, make sure that it's the same pin layout, which it does appear to be correct. And then you can go ahead and just plug your new switch in. Definitely a little stiff going in. There we go. Just make sure all the pins line up properly. Then you can spin off this outer ring here. Got to pull the key out. And insert from the bottom. It looks like I actually need to take this ring off as well. The original must not have. Yep. So for some reason with this one they sent an additional. I suppose if your mower doesn't have a plastic cover here, then it would require a nut on the back side. Rock washer and nut. It's nice that there's a flat cut into the keyway, so you don't actually have to hold it with anything on the back side, and you can just tighten this down. Whoops. And now we should have key action. Off, run, and start. And you can see it springs back to the run position. So that should be pretty much it. We'll see if we can get this thing going. It's an unusually nice day in December, so we're gonna try doing some mowing. Mostly it's the tall grass along the ditches that causes big snow drifts across the driveway, so we need to get out there and try to cut it down a little bit. Also, I don't really want this just sitting outside all year, but I had to get a new switch for it like I was saying before. So anyway, hope that this was a helpful video for you and that you found it interesting. Yeah, and that's all. So talk to you later.